Cuba is an island country located in the Caribbean Sea. It is situated at the confluence of the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, and the Atlantic Ocean. The coordinates of the capital city, Havana, are approximately 23.1136 degrees north latitude and 82.3666 degrees west longitude. Economy. Cuba's economy is primarily socialist and centrally planned. The government has traditionally exerted significant control over various sectors of the economy. Historically, Cuba's economy relied heavily on sugar production, but it has diversified over the years. Today, key industries include tourism, healthcare services, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, nickel mining, and agriculture, such as tobacco and citrus fruits. Cuba has faced economic challenges, including the trade embargo imposed by the United States since 1960. However, recent years have seen some liberalization and economic reforms, including the encouragement of private entrepreneurship. Education. Education in Cuba is highly valued and has been a priority for the government. The country has achieved a high literacy rate, with education being free and compulsory for children between the ages of 6 and 16. The education system is centralized and follows a socialist model. Cuba places a strong emphasis on scientific and technical education, and it has made notable advancements in fields such as medicine and biotechnology. The country also provides scholarships to international students from various countries. History. Cuba's history is rich and complex. The island was inhabited by indigenous people known as the Taino before the arrival of Spanish explorers in 1492. Cuba became a Spanish colony and remained so until the end of the Spanish-American War in 1898, when it gained nominal independence but came under U.S. influence. In the mid-20th century, Cuba experienced a revolution led by Fidel Castro, which culminated in the establishment of a socialist state in 1959. The Cuban Revolution led to strained relations with the United States, including the U.S. trade embargo. During the Cold War, Cuba aligned itself with the Soviet Union, which brought economic and military support. The country faced several challenges, including the failed Bay of Pigs invasion in 1961 and the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962. Fidel Castro ruled Cuba until 2008, when his brother Raúl Castro assumed power. In recent years, Cuba has seen some economic and social reforms, including the restoration of diplomatic relations with the United States in 2015. It's important to note that the information provided is up to date as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, and there may have been some developments or changes since then. In conclusion, Cuba is an island country located in the Caribbean Sea with a rich history and a unique socio-economic system. Despite facing economic challenges, including the long-standing trade embargo imposed by the United States, Cuba has diversified its economy and focused on sectors such as tourism, healthcare services, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, nickel mining, and agriculture. Education is highly valued in Cuba, and the country has achieved a high literacy rate. The education system follows a socialist model and emphasizes scientific and technical education. Throughout its history, Cuba has undergone significant political changes, including the revolution led by Fidel Castro in 1959, which established a socialist state. Cuba's history also includes strained relations with the United States and alignment with the Soviet Union during the Cold War. In recent years, Cuba has seen some economic and social reforms, and the restoration of diplomatic relations with the United States in 2015 marked a significant milestone. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.